Sited above the shores of Big Squam Lake in New Hampshire, this cedar-shake estate commands sweeping views of the water and Mount Chocorua. Step through the covered entry, and the scale of the home announces itself immediately. Vaulted ceilings with exposed wood beams, warm-toned hardwood floors, and walls of glass drawing the lake directly into the living space. A full-height fieldstone chimney anchors the great room. The open-concept kitchen is built for serious entertaining. A large central island with stone countertops and a farmhouse sink, white cabinetry, professional stainless steel appliances, and a custom wood-clad range hood above the range. A walk-in pantry keeps the space clean, and the dining area sits just beyond, framed by lake and mountain views through oversized windows. Upstairs, the primary suite is where this home earns its reputation. Sliding glass doors open to a private balcony with the most elevated lake views on the property. The ensuite bath features a freestanding soaking tub positioned directly before a panoramic window, a custom-tiled walk-in shower with dual heads and a herringbone accent band, dual vessel sinks on dark wood cabinetry with stone counters, and a walk-in closet with custom white shelving and a built-in vanity. The lower-level walkout adds a second living area centered on a stone chimney with a wood-burning stove, plus a dedicated home gym with rubber flooring, concrete walls, and lake-facing windows. 4 integrated heated garage bays serve the main house. The detached barn-style guest house provides additional bedrooms, a full living area, and more garage bays for boats and vehicles. Outside, the composite Trex deck with black cable railings delivers unobstructed views across the lawn, the forest, and the lake below. This is the entertainer's estate on Squam Lake, and it is ready for you.